Now is available at McCarthycars, Chrysler Grand Voyager 2010, metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass, sliding rear door, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got reversing camera. Seven-seater car. It's got split folding rear seats. They are electric. Two rear DVD. Electric sliding rear door. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 7 headrests. ISOFIX child seat preparation. DVD screen. For electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, electric seats. Car has satellite navigation. It's got reversing camera, USB, Bluetooth, voice activate, three-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, DVD player, automatic transmission, central cup holder, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, DVD player, it's got hard drive, MP3, WNA. Thank you for watching.